egg. Yes.
We say tamago.
Tamago. Okay. Okay.
Tamago yaki, okonomiyaki, takoyaki, yakiniku, yakisoba, yakumi bake. Okay.
Okay.
Tamago yaki. Okay, kanji comes from China. You understand? Okay.
Okay.
I like your name kanji calligraphy. In
Okay.
another side, hiragana or katakana. Which one is best for you? Hiragana or katakana?
Yeah.
Which one? This side kanji.
Yeah.
This side hiragana
Okay.
or katakana.
Okay. The other side, kanji.
Yes, kanji. This side kanji. Choice, huh? Choice.
Wow.
Okay. Okay, this is okay.
Wow.
Chew, okay? To means kanji have meaning. To meaning gorgeous city. New York, Paris, Kyoto, just gorgeous city, and E is waterway. Toys, huh? This is sticker. Okay, this take off. Okay, this is
Okay.
This is hiragana.
Man, she's also a talented calligraphist as well. It's amazing. And I've never seen my name look so beautiful.
Katakana, hiragana, kanji. Let's choice, huh? Okay. Okay, this is for you.
Wow.
Okay, meaning fly into the future.
In the future.
Fly into the future.
Nice.
Fly into the future. Okay.
Fly into the future. Awesome.
Yes,
I will be flying in the future Saturday. Thank you. Wow.
Okay, teacher sent a message. Congratulations, high school, high school. Teacher sent a message. Fly into the future. Okay?
Nice. Thank you so much. It's beautiful.
Ichigo ichi meaning I'm a calligraphy master and tea ceremony master. So
Wow.
this is tea ceremony. We use this kanji. So meaning is ichigo ichi. Meaning is we sing this time, first time and last time we sing. So we make tea with my heart. Ichigo ichi.
Wow.
Ichigo ichi.
It's so beautiful. She's giving all of this calligraphy. This is amazing. Just this alone. I'll pay for this alone. Look at this. This is very, very special.
Okay, this for you.
Wow.
Ichigo.
And each one of these characters have a meaning. So she's so talented.
ありがとう。
Wow. I've got all this. Thank you.
へえ。
ありがとう。
どういたしまして。